Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this more sultry, deeper look for the holidays. So if you guys would like to see how I get this look, then please keep watching. Hi, I'm Robin Taylor, and here I do makeup tutorials, reviews, and giveaways. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and let's get right into this video. I feel like I haven't done a makeup tutorial in so long, and I know that's what you guys enjoy, but I just woke up, so I look really tired. But I have to get ready and I have to be in the mood because it is the holiday season, and although I've been trying to feel in the holiday season, it's just not working. Don't know why. But I'm using the e.l.f. mineral infused face primer to prime my face because this does a really good job. Also, I decided to do like a kind of like a smoky look, and I like wearing my eye. I have contacts in when I'm doing a smoky look, so that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know how people can do their eyebrows like after everything else, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. I already have a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. I'll link that up here for you guys to check out. I'll be back. Let me just do this off camera real quick. All right, a million years later, I finally finished my brows, and it's not even how I want them to be, but I ain't got time to spend like 30 minutes on my brows. So for foundation, I mixed MAC NW48 and the Maybelline Superstay Foundation in 370 because that was too yellow and the MAC was too red. And this one kind of works okay with both of them. I'm having a pajama party later tonight, so I'm really excited. And it is the 23rd of December, and I still haven't finished my Christmas shopping. It's ridiculous. Christmas is way too expensive, and it comes out of nowhere. Well, it doesn't come out of nowhere, and I've realized the older I get, the stupider gifts that I receive from people. So I do want something kind of subtle and like a subtle smoky eye. I'm going to be using both my Karity Picante palette and my Morphe 39 palette, 39A palette to create this look. I'm going to go in with my Karity brush in E31, and I'm going to take this, I think it's called Pimento, this shade right here, and I'm going to use that as a transition shade. And I did prime my eyes with concealer, and that's it. And then I'm going to take this shade right here. This shade is Bittersweet. I'm going to add that to my transition shade and then buffer that out. Now that the year is over and this was year 24 for me, I'm really like starting to figure out what I need and what I don't need in my life, and a lot of toxic relationships that I had with people I'm honestly getting rid of, because and a lot of people I lost this year like for no reason. Not lost as in they passed away, but lost as in friendships were lost. And it was just like I would hold on to those friendships and I knew they weren't good for me, but I would still hold on to them for some reason. And now that, you know, something had to happen where we can't be friends anymore, I've realized that those people weren't good for me at all. And although it's like sad, you kind of just have to learn and grow from it. And I don't know who needs to hear this, but if you're in any type of relationship where you're unhappy and you feel like you're not getting what you deserve, leave. Like, leave. Because if you really think about it, when you're old and you're on your deathbed, are you really gonna, I don't want to sound so like crucial, but it is. If when you're old, when you get older and you know you've lived your life and you're on your deathbed, you really want to make sure that when you think back, you really made the most out of your life and made sure that you put yourself first in every single situation. I didn't expect to get this deep while doing a tutorial, but I just want to talk to you guys because I haven't even done a video like this in a long time. It's tough, but you know, if it's not for you, boo, it ain't for you. I don't know what shade I'm using right now, but this is in the 39A palette, and it's this shade right here. I really want something so soft and smoky, and I definitely want to define this brow bone a little bit more, so I'm gonna put some depth in it. Also, there are a lot of things that I realized in 2018 that about myself. I work hard, but I don't think I'm working hard enough, or I don't think I'm working smart enough to be where I want to be. And I think that's a lot of like self-confidence. And to be honest, a lot of people can think that they have like, they're so secure in there, they have so much confidence, but it's hard because us as women especially find things that are wrong with us in instead of finding things that are right with us. And I'm starting to realize that that can bring down your entire day. Like, oh my gosh, my hair is not looking right, blah, blah, blah. Or if like, even as girls, we automatically just think negatively. Like if I'm looking at some girl and I look at her, I'm like, wow, she really has nice hair. Or I love her cheekbones, or I like the lipstick she's wearing. She would probably automatically think that I'm like staring at her in a rude way or something like that. And it's really sad, but as women, that's how we think. That's really how we think. I'm gonna go into this color right here. I don't want to choose black because I don't want it to be so smoky, so I'm gonna choose this, like, it kind of looks like a brownish purple for some reason, but I'm gonna use that. But we honestly have to do whatever we want to do with ourselves to make ourselves happy. There was this lady that I used to work for, and you know, she was just like, gosh, you put everybody before you put everybody first before you even do anything to help yourself. And I think I only knew her for 2 weeks, and the amount of things that were happening in my life in that 2-week span, she kept telling me, like, you care too much about other people and you don't care enough about yourself. But I realized I cared too much for people who don't really care about me. I started really thinking about that. For someone who only knew me for 2 weeks, and she saw the amount of things that I had to deal with and that I had to take control of, and I had no time for myself. So it kind of just made her like stop me, like, listen, I was you once and I did everything for other people who didn't really care about me. And no matter what, people will take advantage of that. People will take advantage of how nice you are. And even though they may not think that they are. So please, in 2019, if you need to hear this, put yourself first regardless of whatever situation that you're going through. You have to put yourself first, because this isn't anybody else's life but yours. If you're not happy, leave. If you have a friend that keeps backstabbing you, don't have that friendship. Like, don't keep negative people around. You're not gonna improve, you're not gonna grow. And I've kept a negative person in my life for years. When I tell you guys, years, like since I was preteen. And now that I feel like it's gone, I feel like a completely different person. I honestly do. I'm sorry that I haven't filmed in a long time. It's like, you guys know, life happens, and I was really stuck on trying to make that Christmas special for you guys. I'm just doing a soft wing because I really don't want to do too much, but I already have like a smoky eye going on. And I still used to be nice to people that would talk so much crap about me, and it's because I didn't want to be mean. But like, sis, what are you doing? So from now on, if you talk crap about me, I'm gonna let you know that I know. I always never wanted to be a mean person, but you guys, when I tell you how many negative people I had in my life, please do not tell me I left my lashes at my sister's house. Yeah, I think I definitely left my lashes at my sister's house. I have these like other lashes that it'll do, but it's not what I wanted. Even though like a lot of bad has happened this year, a lot of good has happened as well. I'm gonna be an auntie again. I guess while my lashes are drying, I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my face. To conceal my face, I use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind and the Super Stay Better Skin Foundation by Maybelline. I just think it's a great combination. These are both Maybelline products. Like, I love me some Maybelline. Yeah. Imagine us together. And I put this on first because this kind of conceals, does a great job at concealing. And then I use the other one to highlight because it's like maybe 3 shades lighter than me. If you want me closer, invite me. A sneak peek of what life would be. Let me know what you would like to see, and I'll show you all my sneak peeks. Baby, you can just let me down. Baby, I feel like Christmas gets better when you have kids. Don't go having kids just so you can have a good Christmas. Christmas is so much better when there are kids around to see their presents. Like, I have my presents in my home, like here in my apartment, but I'm gonna go to my mom's house to open it up because she has her grandkids there, so then I can be like, I'm just like them. And my mom can cook, so these lashes will do the trick. They're not as bold, but it's already kind of like a soft, smoky look, so they kind of go with it. You know what I've noticed? My whole demeanor changes once I feel a little bit better about myself. When I first started wearing makeup and putting a lot of makeup on, especially when I was younger, I would always feel a little more more comfortable with having makeup on than having it off. And then I got to the point where I wanted to feel as confident when not having makeup on. A lot of that is taking care of your skin underneath of makeup, because at first when I was younger I had broken out so bad, and it wasn't like acne, it was more so breaking out in hives, and I was allergic to something, didn't know, and I just kept being around. I think it was like a bunch of just multiple things that I was around, and my entire face broke out. Oh man, that was the worst time of my life, and I wasn't confident at all without makeup. And low-key, that's also what kind of had me start wearing makeup. I've been taking care of my skin underneath, and I'm loving my skin underneath now, like a lot more. To contour, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick. This is super inexpensive. It's under like 12 bucks, I believe, and it works good. A lot of people don't know how to cream contour, but if you start off with a little bit of product and, you know, work your way up, you'll be good. Man, y'all have no idea how much of an impact you guys have made individually in my life, though, because I see a lot of you guys are like just like me, and it feels good to have people like that. I'm excited though for what 2019 is gonna bring. I feel like, I don't know if you're going through anything, but I damn sure that this year, whoo girl, all this suffering ain't for nothing. Like, the come up on 2019 is gonna be real in Jesus' name, girl. Just a spoonful of highlight makes the medicine go down in the most delightful way. To line my lips, I'm using the Antique Velvet Matte Lipstick. Every time I get like a good matte lip liner, like a real lip liner, I always lose it, and I never know where I put it. And I know I've bought like a lot because I'm always searching for some. So when I find it, I get it, and then I lose it, and I end up going back to that. It works great, but you know, I'd like to use it as just lipstick one day. And I think I'm gonna use the Tick Tick Boom lip stain in Tick Tick Boom. It's from Karity, and this is $6. Something about this lipstick makes you look like a real woman. I'm a real woman, but you know, like a grown woman. I'm grown too, but you know what I mean, damn. And it is gonna dry a little darker because I did not want like red. I kind of wanted like a, whatever that is. And then all I need is some bottom lashes, and then we are done. All right, this is it for the look. I wanted to do something kind of like in the holidays, but not your typical like shimmer eyeshadow and stuff like that. Something a little bit more on the dark side of Christmas. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Also, I have a holiday playlist that I'll link up here for you guys to watch, and it's basically my favorite holiday jams. We can get it popping with this playlist, trust me, because I love it. So make sure you guys go check that video out as well. I will be producing more makeup tutorials and more makeup related videos really soon, so bear with me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video again, and until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye.